Hello, I am Mijan Roman. Today I am showing an interesting video for you how to find out your YouTube channel URL ID. First open a web browser for logging your YouTube channel. And click your YouTube channel icon. Click on Creator Studio. Viewers, and click on your YouTube channel icon and click YouTube settings gear icon. Just click. Now viewers, click on advanced. Dear viewers, look, this is your channel ID. You can find this web for your channel URL ID. I'll show next video for second way how to you can get your YouTube channel URL. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more and more video.